In this video, I want to share with you guys this very easy side hustle that I came across, which is selling AI stickers online, and this can make you upwards of $1,000 per day. You can do this from home, completely remote in any country, doesn't matter where you are in the world. And the best thing here is you don't really need to be a really artistic or creative person. I'm going to show you guys how you can use AI tools to actually generate the stickers for you and how you can actually sell these online. And also the best thing about this entire idea is, as with all my side hustle videos, you don't need to spend any money up front. All these tools, all these AI tools are going to be completely free for you to try and use. So if you like this idea, at the end of this video, you can actually go ahead, you can do this, it won't cost you anything. And then once you make your first sale or your first couple sales, then you can decide if this is something that you want to continue, and then you can start making an investment if you choose to do so. But starting this up front is completely free and you won't have to spend any money. Now, with that said, I'd really love to know if you guys enjoy these side hustle videos that you can do from just about any location. So if you do, drop a comment down below. Just comment the word "more" in the comment section down below. That way I know that you guys are enjoying these types of videos, and that way I can go out there and I can research and find more ways where you can do side hustles, online side hustles that you can do from just about any country, anywhere. If you're traveling, if you don't want to be tied down to a specific location, you can find these side hustles on this channel and you can make some money. So drop more in the comment section down below. Let me know if you enjoy these types of videos as well. Also, for all the people that are new here, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel and hearing my voice, my name is Ian. On this channel, I cover methods of making money online, whether it's full-time or part-time remote work from home jobs or side hustles that don't require you to do anything really outside. You can do everything remotely online. So that's really good. If you like these topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. Helps the channel out a ton. And also, most importantly, be sure to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, tap the notification bell. That way you won't miss the updates of when I post similar new videos of full-time, part-time jobs, or even more remote side hustles that you can do for free from just about anywhere. So with that said, let's dive right into this video of this easy side hustle that you can create stickers online. You can use AI to do everything, and you can make about $1,000 per day. So first of all, I want to bring you guys over to Etsy, and Etsy is this really popular marketplace online where you can sell just about anything. So people are on here, they're selling personalized gifts, they're selling custom clothing, jewelry, trendy items, just about anything. And one of the good things about Etsy is that most of the things being sold on Etsy are customizable. So for example, clothing, people will be selling customizable t-shirts or selling t-shirts with custom designs. The same goes for jewelry. You can order that stuff on Etsy. People actually make a lot of money doing that here. And I'm gonna show you guys just how much money some people are making. So for example, a popular product on Etsy would be, let's say, mugs. So if you search for mugs on Etsy, you'll find these mugs here. Some of these have custom designs already, and some you can add your own text or your own design and they'll do that for you. But as you can see, a bunch of options here. Now, this is something that I actually covered before in previous videos, but I will say at this point in time, doing customizable mugs on Etsy may not be the best thing for a beginner, because this is kind of oversaturated right now, because a lot of people on YouTube and all over the internet, on Reddit, if you go and you search for best ways to make money on Etsy or products to sell, one of the first things you're going to come across are mugs, right? So everyone is trying to do this right now. So it is a bit more difficult unless you have that really one good design that just blows everyone else out of the park and people just really love that design, and that's just a hot selling product, which for a beginner, you may not find that, hot selling design right now. So it may be a bit harder to make money here because there is a ton of competition. Now, the same would go for like custom t-shirts. So if you go for custom tees here on Etsy, I mean, you could do custom tees here, put your own text on there or your own design. or you could just look for tees here as well. People actually create their own designs already, and you can just buy it here. But again, this is something that everybody's talking about, so the competition here is a lot. It's really strong, and so for a beginner, it may not be the best product for you to sell. Now, there is a niche market, and that niche market is actually with stickers. So stickers are actually something that sells really well online, and people do these stickers in just about any format, right? So you could have like bumper stickers, mirror stickers. I recently found out that there is also a niche market right now with people purchasing stickers for their cell phone cases, their MacBooks, and other gadgets that they have. And these are also cool stickers. So stickers, not a whole lot of people talking about this. This won't be the first idea you find on the web if you want to sell a digital product. So I think this is really great because it isn't as oversaturated as, you know, selling mugs, custom mugs, or doing custom t-shirts or tumblers or something else that literally everyone is talking about. Now, not only stickers, but if you look at funny stickers, these are actually what are selling really well. So for example, you can scroll through here and you can find a bunch of funny stickers here. These are what people are actually buying. Now, if you already have something in mind, you could create that design and you could sell stickers. But if you don't, you could create some funny stickers like this. They're really simple, and it's basically just sarcastic phrases, right? So be happy, it drives people crazy. I may be wrong, but I doubt it. How about no? These are kind of like sarcastic, as it says here, snarky Snickers, salty Snickers, humor, retro style sarcastic sticker set. It's a 10-pack set, and this seller is actually selling this 10-pack set for only $7. Now, if you scroll through here, you can actually go through their reviews. They have over 11,000 reviews, so they're actually selling a lot of products here on Etsy. And one of the very first reviews here from this year is actually for this exact same product right here. So this product is selling. Now you can go through all the reviews, and then what you could do is you could filter the reviews by the last month or the last couple of weeks, and then see what products are actually getting a ton of reviews in the past weeks. And that will tell you which one of these sticker sets or what type of stickers are actually selling more, because this store, although they sell stickers, it's not just this set of stickers. They have different sets of stickers that they sell on here. So you'd want to find out which one is selling more. That may give you an idea of the type of stickers that you want to create yourself. Also, you could use ChatGPT, and we'll get into that in just a bit. But just to show you guys that this actually does make money, we could click on the store name right here. Brings up the store. They're a store in Florida. And we could go to about, and then we could see sales right here. So this store has made over 34,000 sales, almost 35,000, but they've been on Etsy since 2010. So you can look at different stores on Etsy to see how long they've been on the platform and how many sales they've made. And then you can actually look at the products that they have, and you can figure out the average price of a product there. And that will kind of give you an idea of how much money they're making. So for example, let's say this product was the only product they were selling. 7 by 35,000 roughly is about $245,000, which is a lot of money, but they've been on here since 2010. Now they have other products on here that are selling for a whole lot more. So this may not be completely accurate, because they do have products that they're selling for, you know, $25, $30. So they most likely made a whole lot more than $245,000. But again, selling these funny stickers, this niche product, can actually make you some money. Now let's dive into how you can actually pull this off. So the AI tool that you can use, and actually before we get into the AI tool, let's go over to ChatGPT and actually get some info. So let's say you don't know what you want to create your funny stickers on, right? You're not really creative. You don't know what you want to do. All you need to do is to go over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you some ideas. So you could say, give me some sarcastic, funny sticker ideas, right? and then ChatGPT would generate a response here, right? So here we have some really good ones. Wow, you really nailed mediocrity. I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? Oh look, another meeting to discuss meetings. I'm not lazy, I'm energy efficient. I'm not ignoring you, I'm just prioritizing my disinterest. So these are really sarcastic and funny stickers. I mean, depending on who it is, I think some people would definitely pay for these type of stickers. So we're just gonna take the first one here. Wow, you really nailed mediocrity. I mean, this is actually really funny. But then we could go over to an AI tool like Kittle. So Kittle is free. You get a certain amount of free credits per day, and then you can choose to upgrade your plan that allows you to make a whole lot more. But as I mentioned before in this video, you don't need to pay any money up front, so you can actually test this out. You can create your stickers, and then if it sells and if you like this method of making money, then you can upgrade and you can start paying, you can start investing. But before, you don't need to spend any money because we don't want to waste any money, right? So we can simply just copy whichever one of these ideas that we got from ChatGPT, or you can do them all. That's also an option. And then you just want to add stickers here. So you want to do create. So the prompt is create a, and we could probably put this in quotations so that it figures out what we want on the stickers. And then we're gonna go to generate an image, and this is going to generate that for us. So generating a AI image here does take a few seconds, but as you can see here, we now have this image. Wow, you nailed mediocrity. So this is the design here. Now you can actually go through here and you can choose what style you want. So maybe you don't want this style of sticker, and in that case you could use a clip art style or a vector style, or choose some different image styles, and you can customize this. Also, you can remove the background, you can change colors, fonts, you can do a whole lot here, which is really cool. But this is just to give you an idea of how easy it is to generate these funny, sarcastic stickers. So if you like this as is, you could use it, or you could regenerate, or you could tweak it until you like it. But really good tool here, because if you were to try to create this design from scratch, this would take you probably days, and you'd probably just end up being frustrated of not getting a design that you actually like. So you could keep doing this, and again, you're using AI to do everything, so this isn't hard. You can choose a different prompt if you want to. And also a really cool feature here, if you do want to go ahead and do something else, you could choose the mockup button right here. And what this is going to do is it's going to show you how this design would look on different products, right? So for example, if you decide that you don't want to just do stickers and you want to put this on a t-shirt, or the design that you have, you want to put it on a t-shirt, it shows you what it would look like on a t-shirt. And then you can change the colors of the shirts. You could also do like a candle, so you could see what this would look like on a candle. Probably not the best design for putting on a shirt or a candle, looks a bit crowded for me, but it gives you an idea of what this would look like on several different products. And this way, if you wanna, add your design to some other product, you actually know what it's gonna look like before you try to sell it. So you know that it actually looks good, or the finished product will actually look good. And this is really important because you're not going to be doing any printing at home. You're not gonna be purchasing anything. You're not gonna be doing this at home. You're going to send this to a print-on-demand service to take care of this for you. So you definitely want to have an idea of what the finished product would look like before you actually sell it, or you list it out there for sale, because that way you know that the finished product is going to look really good. And you can also tweak your designs if you don't like what the finished product looks like right here. So this is the first step. So the next thing you would do is just download the mockup, or download this image if you liked it, the sticker, and then all you have to do is to go over to a print-on-demand service. I really like Printify, because here you can actually start for free. You don't need to pay any money up front. You only pay once your products sell, and they actually ship them out. They will take a cut for their fees, and then they will send the profits to you. So I prefer using Printify. And of course, guys, I'll leave links down below to just about everything. I mean, you should know how to find ChatGPT, but I'll leave the link to that. I'll leave the link to Kittle, and I'll leave the link to Printify as well. So you can basically go on Printify, you can search for stickers, you can create your store, and then you can do different type of stickers, right? So kiss cut stickers, die cut stickers, bumper stickers, magnets, die cut magnets, round vinyl stickers, gift wrap papers, sticker sheets. This is probably what you would most likely do if we were doing a similar product to this. That way we can actually add a bunch of those funny designs to one sheet and then sell it like a 10-pack, just like this person is doing here for $7. But that is how you would pull this off. So you'd simply create your design right here. You'd add the images that you got from Kittle. And of course you want to generate some more sticker images here. So this would be one. You could do 9 more that you really like, and then they would be on your sticker sheet. Now also, another good thing about Printify is that Printify actually integrates into Etsy. So you can actually set up your Etsy store and you can link it to Printify, and that way once people make orders here on Etsy, it's directly sent to Printify. Everything is basically automatic. Everything gets taken care of behind the scenes. All you'll do is you'll receive notifications of when your product sells, and then of course you'll see the fees that Printify and Etsy charges, and then you'll get your profits. But again, for not spending any money up front, not having to be creative, being able to do this in just about any country, anywhere in the world, even if you're constantly on the move and traveling, and also not really taking up much of your time. I mean, you could spend less than an hour and get some really good designs here, and then have a full product or have a store with stickers in a day. This is a really great way to make some money without spending any money up front, or actually just testing this out to see if this is something that you want to invest into. So as always, comment down below. Let me know if you think this was a good idea. Let me know if this is something that you would love to try. I'll leave all the links down below. And before you go, remember, if you haven't already done so, drop a comment down below. Just comment the word more so that I know that you guys like these types of side hustle videos. That way I'll make more videos like this one of side hustle ideas that you can do from just about anywhere, that won't cost you any money up front, and of course has the potential to make you thousands of dollars every single day. And even if you're just terrible at this stuff, you can still make thousands of dollars every single month. So with that said, all the best in trying to find that dream remote work from home job, or that really good idea that makes you a ton of money. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.